Hello guys, your coach once again, and in today's video I just want to show you this forex trading strategy as I promised earlier. So what you do now, just subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out the next video that I'm yet to upload. Remember guys, on this channel I am dedicated to show you, to share with you forex strategies that would help you to maximize your trading. And I'm trying my level best in the background to try as many forex trading strategies based on my experience, so that at least everyone is accommodated on this platform. All right, so what you do now, just subscribe, hit the subscription button, and also please do your own back testing and let me hear from you in the comment section how this forex trading strategy is performing. And trust me, on this channel you will definitely make it in forex trading. And if I were you, I would have shut down any other platform or channel and focus just on this channel. Remember, one thing that I'll share with you is having many mentors doesn't mean success in Forex, but means confusion. So have only one mentor, all right? And I'm not saying I'm the best, but what I'm trying to say is having one person to educate you, especially when it comes to Forex trading. I'm saying this based on my experience. I have about 9 years experience in the financial market, and this is why I am saying this. I may not offload why I'm saying this, but I know what I'm talking about. So anyway, let's get back to our business. So guys, this forex trading strategy, as you can see, this is very simple, very simple but effective. If you follow everything that I'm going to explain here, this forex trading strategy is very effective, and it's gonna help you. All right, so as you can see on the main chart here, there are two lines which are the indicators. All right, and down here we have also a list of indicators. All right, so guys, watch till the end. I'll show you the setup at the end, how this strategy, how to set it up. For now, let me show you how it works. Let me show you how effective it is. So as you can see, there is a blue line there and also the red line on top on the main chart. All right, so guys, this forex trading strategy works well on H1, which is 1 hour time frame. All right, sorry, it works on these other time frames, but I have seen it effective on H1 and also M30. All right, so as you can see here, we are going to use zoom level 3. All right, okay, so this is zoom level 3. So let me just switch to H1. All right, so guys, let me show you this example here. As you can see here, so here I was given a signal. All right, so on these lines we are going to focus on crossovers. All right, crossovers. So there was a crossover, all right, where the red line crossed the blue line to the downside. All right, once you see that done, the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to come down here. All right, you are going to come down here. Are you seeing this indicator here? This is a TDI, all right, Traders Dynamic Index, this one. So what you are going to do here is you are going to, are you seeing this this red line, sorry, the green line. So let me just do this. Let me just do this. Okay, this is great. So are you seeing this blue line which I've just added, the one which is closer to the green line right here? So that's the RSI, all right? That's the RSI. So what you're going to do is, after you identify a crossover here on top, all right, you don't enter immediately, all right? You don't enter immediately. So once you see this crossover, the next thing that you're going to see is you are going to wait for this blue line crossing the yellow line to the downside, all right? Crossing the yellow line to the, or the orange line to the downside, all right? So this strategy, are you seeing? So this is H1. So here, there was a crossover here, all right, of these lines. Then the next thing that I'm going to see is this blue line crossing the yellow line to the downside, or crossing the upper Bollinger Band to the downside. All right. So let's come here, we see. So here was our entry. This line crossed the yellow line to the downside. All right. Of course, it ranged a bit, but this was our entry. This was our entry. Are you seeing? So our entry was right here. Provided that this, provided that the market is below the blue line. All right. When the market is below the blue line and this blue line here crossed the orange line to the downside, you enter your sell without hesitation. Are you seeing? Let me show you another one. Look here. You are seeing? So there was a crossover down here. There was a crossover of the orange line to the downside. Are you seeing? So my entry was right here, was right on this candle. And look at this candle all the way from there coming down here. I am in profit. I am in profit. So my exit will be when this blue line touches the down Bollinger Band. That will be my exit of this trade. All right. Then if I would want, I would hold. See, another entry right here. So the blue line touched the upper Bollinger Band to the downside. All right. It touched right there and it crossed it to the downside. Look, provided that the market is below the blue line. Are you seeing? Guys, this strategy, someone will ask me, why am I sharing this for free? I'm sharing this for free because I want to empower a fellow trader out there. All right, look. So my entry was right here. Look at this. Provided the market is below the blue line after the crossover of the red line. Are you seeing? Are you seeing here? So this was my entry. So the first confirmation is a crossover. Then the second confirmation, the blue RSI has to cross the orange one to the downside, or the upper Bollinger Band to the downside. So here there was a crossover. So it was our first entry. Then the second entry was right here. There was another crossover. Look, I would have entered right here and I am right in the profit. Then the next one is, look at this. So this trade, I'll be focusing only on sell after the crossover. Look, provided the market is below the blue line. Look at that. look at look at that. Look at all this profit. Look, all the way. All the way. Look, guys. Look, all the way. Look. So my exit will be down here. All right? Then I'll wait again for a crossover to the downside of the orange line. Look, here there was a crossover. Look at that. Provided the market is below the blue line. Look at that. All this is profit. Look at that. Look at how the market fell. And my exit was right here. So I entered this trade here, and my exit was right here, meaning here. So all the way from there up to here. Look at this strategy, how effective this strategy is. Look at that. Then, look at that. So here there was another crossover here. Are you seeing? There was another crossover here. It crossed this line. But look, the market decided just to come down a bit, and it went up, and there was a crossover here. All right? So now, this crossover here is our exit. So this trade would have crossed it right here because there was a crossover. Are you seeing? There was a crossover. So this is the SL hit. But imagine you entered your trade right here. Right here. When there was a crossover here, you entered right here. And this trade decided to go up, and there was a crossover right here. So your SL will be right here. You will come out right here, even though the SL is not yet hit on top of the previous high. Remember, you press your stop loss on the previous high, and your previous high is right here, and here the crossover was made before even reaching here. So you exit this trade, and guess what? You are still in profit, because if you calculate the pips from here coming here, is different from the pips that you've eaten already. Remember, you had about 3 winning trades already, and these winning trades, they moved quite a number of pips than this SL. So this SL would have just taken part of the profit on your single signal that was given on this market, for which you are still in profit. For guys, there is no 100% working Forex trading strategy. But what I can say is, if you hammer or your profit was hit on the previous trade, and your next trade your SL was hit, your SL must not eat the profit that you made on the previous trade. That is my kind of trading. That is my law. And this tells me to say I'm always on the profit side. So now look at that. So there was a crossover here. So once you see the crossover, then it means that there is a change of a trend. And now you'll be focusing on buys. And those buys will be entered based on the TDI, which is the down here. All right? So the TDI must cross the orange line to the upside. So here there was a crossover here. Are you seeing there was a crossover here to the upside? And look, my entry was right here. And look at the profit. Look at all this profit. Then I wait again for it crosses to the downside. I wait to the cross to the upside. Look at that. Either the orange line or the down Bollinger Band. Look, so here it crossed the Bollinger Band right here. And my entry was right here. Provided the market is above the blue line. Look at this. All this is profit, guys. All this is profit. Are you seeing? All this was profit. Look at that. Let me show you another one. So this trade, our exit was right here. We wait for another signal. Why here is because it touched the orange line, for which is another signal if it crosses. So the moment when it crosses the down one to the upside, then it reaches the yellow line. I'll exit and wait for it to cross. That's when I'll enter another trade. For which it didn't cross. Instead, it came down. Again, it gave me another signal. You see? Then I'll enter right here, which is here. I'll enter right here. Look at all this profit. Look at that, guys. And my take profit will be the moment it touches this yellow line right here. So my TP will be right here and wait for a crossover to the upside. Look. So there was a crossover here on the orange line. You have seen? There was a crossover right here. So I would have entered right there. Look at all this profit. Then I'll exit right there when it crossed it to the downside. Look, here it crossed to the downside. So that is your exit point. Look at another signal here. Look, it crossed right here, the down Bollinger Band. And look, my entry will be right here. Look at that. All that is profit. So guys, this strategy does work and you will always be on the profit side. So if you'd want to join the free mentorship class, you can just check in my contacts there and be added to the free mentorship class and also the group for signals. So here are the setup now. Let me show you how to set this strategy up. Let me show you. So you click right there. Are you seeing? Then our first indicator will be a moving average, which is period 50. So this is the first indicator, right? The color blue. You follow the way it is here, then you click save. The next one is this one, which is 13, exponential, the method, and the color lady. Save. And you come now to the TDI, which will start with the RSI. So RSI period, you put 13, apply to close. Then these are your levels, all right? These are your levels, though they don't matter. The color you put blue or you leave it empty, all right? You click done. You can either put the background, the color of your background, there's no problem, or you can put the blue the way it is here. It's still okay because there is another indicator which is in line with this same RSI. So you click done. You come to the moving average. So the moving average, this is how you set it up. Method, simple, then apply to. You make sure that you choose previous, all right? Previous. Then the color style, you put green, all right? The green color. You click done. You come to, so for you to add indicators, you need to make sure that you are selecting indicator window 1. You click right there for you to add. All right. You come to the moving average. Sorry, this one you've already added. You come to this one, 7. You make sure here is previous. All right. Previous indicators data. The color you put ready. You click done. Then you come right here, which is the Bollinger Band. So the period you put 34 and deviation 1.61 and apply to cross, which is the first indicator's data, and the color you put blue. You click done. Then you come to the another moving average. You make sure that the period is 34 and first indicator data. You select all that. Then the color you put the same one. Once you are done, then you click save. And here you have your system. All right. Here you have your system. So make sure you follow all the laws, and this strategy is gonna make you money. Trust me. Trust me, I've tested it. For me to share it live here, it means that it is tested. All right. So are you seeing here the way the market is here? So here there was a zigzag. Therefore, this indicator here, which is the TDI, filtered everything here. So here there is no trade at all. Why? Because once there is a crossover, the red line crossing the blue line to the downside, your focus is sell. And look on the TDI, there is no signal for sell here. There is no signal for sell. So the signal for sell appeared here. All right, it appeared here. It appeared here, for which there was already a crossover here on this, which is the change of structure. So this one, it will make sure that the TDI filters these fake moves which these moving averages sometimes give. All right, are you seeing? Are you seeing? So here, there was another look at these buys here. Why we're not focusing on buy? Because there's a crossover here. Sorry, on the sales. There was a sell signal here on the TDI, but look here, there's a crossover. So when there's a crossover, we focus on buy. So our buy, we look for buy right here, down here. So there must be a crossover of this yellow line to the upside, so which is here. So entry was right here. Look at that. So this strategy does work. Let me hear what you think in the comment section. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out this amazing content. I'll be the happiest person making others to make money as well. Thank you.